Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more tech insights. Today we're diving into Phemex, a cryptocurrency exchange platform located at phemex.com. Let's explore what they offer and see if it's the right fit for your crypto trading needs. Phemex positions itself as a platform designed for both beginners and experienced traders, promising a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading tools. They emphasize their commitment to providing a secure and reliable trading environment. One key feature advertised by Phemex is their low trading fees, aiming to make trading more cost-effective for users. They also frequently highlight their variety of trading options, catering to diverse investment strategies. This includes spot trading, futures contracts, and potentially other derivatives, giving users a range of choices for participating in the cryptocurrency market. For those new to the crypto world, Phemex likely offers educational resources and support to help navigate the complexities of digital asset trading. Seasoned traders might be more interested in the platform's analytical tools, charting capabilities, and API access for automated trading strategies. Phemex's security measures are likely a significant consideration for any potential user. Details on their security protocols, such as cold storage of assets and two-factor authentication, should be readily available on their website. It's important to always conduct your own research and due diligence before choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. Reading user reviews, comparing Phemex to competitor platforms, and understanding the regulatory landscape are crucial steps. While Phemex promotes a streamlined trading experience, it's crucial to fully grasp the risks associated with cryptocurrency trading before investing any funds. The platform's user interface, alongside its mobile app availability, are also important factors to consider for accessibility and convenience. Remember to check Phemex's supported cryptocurrencies to ensure they align with your investment goals. Ultimately, the best cryptocurrency exchange for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Explore phemex.com to learn more and determine if it's the right platform for your crypto journey.